After selecting your 3D avatar, how can you personalize their look? It's super easy. Let me show you how in just 1 minute. From the home page, click on 3D avatars in the top menu. Hover your mouse over the avatar you like, then click the Edit button to open the customization page. On the left side, you'll see a variety of options to personalize your avatar: outfit, hairstyle, accessories, makeup, and facial features. Scroll through and click on the outfit you like, and then you can mix and match the outfit on the right panel. Want to make it more unique? You can add an icon or upload your own logo to the outfit. Just click the Edit button to adjust its position, size, and opacity. Keep in mind, logo uploads are available for enterprise users only. For more info, visit pricing from the homepage and compare the benefits of each plan. Okay, now let's get back to avatar editing. In the hairstyle library, you could choose a preferred hairstyle and customize the hair color too. You can also personalize your avatar with accessories, makeup, or facial features, whatever suits your video needs. Once you're happy with the look, click the Save button in the top right, then back to Return. You'll find your customized avatar saved under My Avatars. If you're in the Generate page and want to tweak your avatar, just click the Edit button on the avatar card on the right. After editing, hit Save, click Back, and your updated avatar will automatically be applied to your video. Then just enter your script, click 3D Generate, and your personalized avatar will be ready to go. See? Creating a custom avatar is super simple. Give it a try